Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you about the malicious website through which I have recently come across. The website is Bepodi.live. Bepodi.live is a malicious website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. The website, by the way, claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, after researching this website, we came to the conclusion that it has nothing to do with that well-known security program. The website displays pretty frustrating messages that try to make people think that their computer is horribly damaged and infected. So the website then tries to make people click on a certain button. In my case, the button is called Proceed, supposedly to help you fix your computer. When people do that, when they click on Proceed, they get redirected to some other junk website that may promote a totally different software. Very often this software is considered to be the potentially unwanted application that is extremely malicious. So please be careful, don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups by Bepodi.live. By the way, such pop-ups may be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. So carefully research your available programs, and if you find any items that are suspicious, any applications that are not familiar to you, get rid of them. I also recommend investigating your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So go here, combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and this is the way the application looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. However, in my case, as you see, it's the premium mode. Even the trial mode has got several free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button. Then Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, potentially unwanted programs, all sorts of pop-ups, unwanted browser extensions, spyware, and other threats. So the scanning itself will take several minutes. I would say it may depend on various factors. Of course, it may depend on how infected the system is, or it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. Anyway, at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the system. And we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your Mac computer or Windows computer always protected with Combo Cleaner Antivirus.